Good morning, everyone. Okay, my name's Troy Young. I go by TDY Sales on the World Wide Web. That's TDYSales.com. First off, I want to tell you thank you for viewing the video. I'm going to do a walk around. This truck here is not going to last long. I've got a, let's see, I believe it's a 2008 model, four-wheel drive, quad cab. It's got 64,000 miles. The sales price on this truck is going to be $27,991. It's going to be my special for the week. Got a little blemish here. They're calling this color tan. It's more of a mocha color. And here's a blemish here. Other than that, body's in really good shape. It's got a spray-in bed liner with a gooseneck, tan cloth interior, it's a 4x4. Bighorn edition, kind of like an SLT package. Decent tread. Again, the sales price is $27,991. Power windows and locks. Power driver's side seat. It's got an aftermarket brake controller. Cruise control. There's your miles, 64,621. It's a 2008 model with 64,000 miles on it. Nice cold air. Of course, it's only 67 degrees outside. Got an exhaust brake, rear window. Below the video, you will see a like button, a share button, and then below that, you'll see my contact information. My phone number is 817-243-9840. You can find me on Facebook also. It's TDY Sales. 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel. And again, the sales price is $27,991. I want to tell you thank you for viewing, and as always, have a great day.